Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be teaching you how to make your own homemade turning board. And what I like about this turning board is that you actually it's meant for going on releve rather than flat-footed. Because when you're turning, you're obviously supposed to go on releve. Oh, by the way, sorry for not posting in forever, but it's summer break for me. And so I kind of want to take a little break, so I'm not going to be posting to a certain schedule anymore. I'm just going to be posting when I like to and giving shout-outs when someone deserves one, because right now I haven't had many people joining the dance family, so make sure to do that, and I'll probably give you a shout-out. So I'll be posting to my own schedule, which means I could be posting a lot some days and a little other days, so just be subscribed and have your notifications on so you can watch my videos when I post them. I might figure out some kind of schedule, but for now, that's what I'm going to be doing because it will be easiest. So yeah, let's get started. First, you're going to take a top, and then you're going to start heating up your glue gun. And while you're waiting for that to heat up, cut off anything that's sticking in towards the top. Some tops don't have those, but if yours does, cut them off. Next, take some foam and cut it to be the shape to fit inside your top, because that'll make it more comfortable for you to turn on. And I just went ahead and trimmed the outside and stuff and made sure it fit pretty well. Then I realized it was too thick, so I had to cut it in half. So it only has to be a thin layer of foam. It's kind of hard to cut it in half this way, but I managed to do it. So it has to be a pretty thin layer, and then you're just going to trim the edges and make sure it fits inside the top really well. Next, you're going to take your hot glue and put some on the top so you can glue the foam on. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can use normal glue. It'll just take a while to dry. Then you glue that on and trim the edges some more if they're not as rounded as you want them to be. Next, take some fabric or an old sock and just cut it into the shape that you need it to be to fit over your top and the foam, just so it can cover that stuff up. It'll make it look better and it'll make it more comfortable. So I just put it over the top, and then I traced an outline of the top so that I could cut it. So there's the outline, and then I just went ahead and cut the circle. Then I lined up the circle to make sure it would fit my top, and then I will just glue it on after that. So I took more hot glue. Again, if you don't have hot glue, you can use normal glue. Make sure to get the edges so that it doesn't come peeling off. So there, then I pushed it down. This turns really fast and is actually a really good turning board, and I love it. So please try it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications, because I'm not going to a certain schedule, like I said. And comment down below if you actually made one of these turning boards and how you liked it. It looks very well, so please try it, and thanks for watching. Bye.